did too many clutch kicks. Can you hear there's a rattling, and then I'll push the clutch now. Goes away. Let go of the clutch. Push it in. Out. Fucked it. So, I'll show you. I've got a spare clutch here that I took out of that engine. And I got a new thrust bearing. It's like 20 quid. It was just a generic one. I can't even mind the code for it. But yeah, I've got a spare clutch as well. It's not that bad. It's still got a good bit of thickness. We'll see what the one's like. So it's only the thrust bearing, just that thing that's destroyed. So get it on the ramp and yeah. Watch me go straight off the box, probably. Disconnect the battery. The adjustable bonnet vent. My bonnet vent? My bonnet stay. This is a fucking mob. It smells like floor cleaner too. Woo wee!
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact,
Right, so I'm not doing any kind of long time lapse on this, just because it's just a gearbox removal. But there's 2 bolts in the starter, and then there's one in behind that there, and then there's one up there. It's behind the wire, 2 wires that you see there, and then there's one here, and there's another 2. Focus. There's another 2 up there, if you can see that. And then once you've got them off, you need to disconnect. On my one, I just need to disconnect the 102 because I don't have another one after that. And then the gearbox plugs, and you pretty much take it out. You've got the carbon fiber drive shaft. It's really light, super light. You got the 4 bolts here, and then this big beam thing. It's got the 4 bolts here, and there's also a bolt in the middle there that holds it on as well. And then you've also got the 4 bolts here as well. Take them off and you'll get the big beam off, and then up at the gear stick inside there's 3 bolts holding the shifter in, and then you pretty much drop out, take the center exhaust out, change your gasket and stuff on it, and that's it. So okay, so gearbox is out. This was the old thrust bearing, so you can hear it's not very good. It's got some play in it, but it's just the sound. It's all pretty simple stuff. It's actually a really easy gearbox to get in and out. So I'm hoping when I put the thrust bearing in now, take it for a road test, there shouldn't be any noise at all, because I kept missing like gears and stuff like that, and I don't know if that was down to just the pressure plate not releasing the clutch because it was fucked. So we'll see if it works now. I'm just going to finish bolting this up. I'm not going to video this. I'm just going to quickly bolt it all up with a air gun. But I think if you did that on if it wasn't on a ramp, it was axle stand, so it would still be quite an easy job. But I would suggest get like a mate to help you do it because it is quite heavy. Okay, right, so that's it done. You can see it's ready to go. We'll give it a start and see what it sounds like. It's better. Much quieter. I'll just turn it. So I still need to fit in the shifter. You can see it's where is the shifter? That's it there. That bit slides in. It's a bit dark. I'm sorry. Can I switch these on? No, doesn't work. Yeah, so I'll just put the shifter back in, 3 volts, and then I've got like coverage going to stop the smoke coming in. But yeah, this is my catch can. Brake fluid catching thing. Oh shit, the light's under there.